Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the sheets on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unhide the sheet on the Google Sheet web on your computer. So you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets has been shown, but there is a many sheets are hidden. So if you want to see if any sheet are hidden, you can use this option to find it. You can see this option on the three dots. Click on this and it will shows all sheet. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 sheets has been hidden. If you want to also the 5 of the sheet, if you want to reveal this sheet, you just need to click on the sheet. It automatically appears here. So you can just click here. You can see other sheets are hidden. Otherwise, you just click on the view option, and here you will see an option called hidden sheets. That is a 4 sheet has been hidden. So you just need to click this. It will open the sheet. The same process. You can unhide the sheet by clicking on the sheet by clicking show. Click on the view option. Click on the hidden sheet. Just click on the show to and click on the view option. Click on the hidden sheet and click on the show option. This is how you just hide this is how you just unhide the sheets on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.